Was Facebook was woo. You already know we in the building now. We in the building. We in the building. I've been wanting to go live for a little while, but I've been busy. I've been doing a whole lot of stuff. Um, you know, it's snowing outside. I'm snowed in, so I figured I might just go ahead and start this live video, training video, uh, about forex. If some of you guys peeped it, uh, I'm coming out with my own platform, and you might want to bring your little ones. I have for adults, but I'm really trying to reach out to the kids and give back to the kids because their brains is younger. They might get it a little quicker, and they your future. They are your future. So, you know, instead of buying them video games and grab bucks or buck cards, or I don't know what them shit is called, man. Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? Instead of buying them shits every month, you can put them in the school, in the class, and the training, which will which will make them better later on in life. Ages from 12 to 17. I'm looking at teaching, and the price is affordable. Okay, it's not about the money. It's about me just making a name for myself and getting these trades in. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's really all about. Um, at the end of the day, go ahead and share this out real quick. So give me a second. We gonna get to the business. Yes. Jasmine Pips. Okay, going live. About to see what's going on. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. I'm just sending this out, guys. So whoever's watching me, just give me a second. I'm really just trying to send this out. I need this to go out to people because people don't understand. Like you, we waste time all day. This might not be for you. This might not be something that you want to do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad at it, but I gotta try. I gotta send it out. I gotta send this out to people who's online and trying to do a little something. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Go ahead and get to it because I'm out here. All right, y'all. I think that's it. I mean, I don't need to. This is what I'm saying. Ooh, that would be dope. That would be dope. Hell yeah. I'm gonna see if I could do that. I'm gonna see if I could do that. You know what? Yeah, guys. Man, we're gonna you know what I mean, do what we do, whatever the case may be. Um, you'll be thinking you can't win. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so all right, let's get it. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So, the other day, whatever the case may be, I missed these trades. I didn't put these trades in. I had other things going on, but you can see I marked it up. This is the EU trade here. This one came up and gave me about 170 pips of pure pips. Okay, how did I get this? How did I get it? Because here go my line here. This is the line here that I had made. Okay, this was a head and shoulder. Okay, if you guys don't know what a head and shoulder pattern is, this is how I caught the trade. Well, I didn't catch the trade because I don't lie. I don't come on here and lying and say, oh, I made this money. And no. I just marked it up, and it actually went in my direction, and I'm happy. You know, I'm happy because had I take the trade, I would have been straight. Am I tight? Nah, not tight. Because a real trader don't worry about little small things like that. You know what I mean? But this is a head and shoulder pattern. We go up, we come down, make it equal. We go up again. We come, we come back down, and we go back up again. We come back down. This is the sell. Okay, let me show it to you again. Make this a little smaller. Okay. So you see how that goes, right? So boom. That's how that works. Okay. I'm going to show you why I love Forex so much. Okay. And I'm going to tell y'all about this story. All right. I'm going to tell you my story. Okay. So, you know, this is the same point. Okay. So this right here is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay. This is my shoulder. This is my head. Okay. This whole area is my head because it's sticking up. It's sticking up. So it's my head. Anything above this line here. Anything above this line here. That's my head and my shoulder. I mean, that's my head. Okay, came back up, same point, and then we dropped. Okay, that's one way of looking at it, of getting in this trade. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, this is a nice little sale coming back down here around these lows here. All right, around these lows here. This is what we're looking for anyway. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the market to come back down to these lows here. You know what I'm saying? If we do push up, then I'll be waiting for it to be to break this high. But I already know it's not. We're going to continue dropping. If you don't know, this right here. This right here is a harmonic pattern. That's what I'm looking for. See, I marked it up right here. Here you go. But I'm still here. I'm on the screen. Feel me? But yeah, if you don't know, this is a harmonic pattern. Okay, I'm very, very good. That's one thing I can really say is that yeah, I'm really good with these harmonic patterns. I really be catching these things. So when I open up my platform, this is going to be one of my elite subjects I teach, because I'm literally the only one that I know that actually knows these harmonic patterns and actually trade these harmonic patterns. Shout out to my teacher that taught me, or taught us at the time. He don't teach no more. I don't see him. But my man Billionaire, you know what I'm saying? That's my son. That's my son. And then we got a nice little bat pattern right here. That's what this is. That's what this is. It's a nice little bat pattern. Get that in there. Right? Get that in there. Oh, shit. Thought it was going to be a little... Oh, it won't let me write. I thought it was going to let me write. Yeah, it ain't going to let me write. Ain't going to let me write. But, you know, I could just do it like this. Where's the balloon? I haven't used this in a while. How does this arrow? Oh. Right. And then I put that pattern. And it only becomes the pattern only if it connects. So right now it's not really the bat pattern. Right now we hum a stunting. Feel me? We hum a stunting. But this will be my entry. Okay? This will be my entry. And then we go from C to D. And this will be, let me erase some of this shit. I got too much shit going on here. All right. So we got this. We're going to go long. Definitely going to go long. And we're going to take it to TP1. That's TP1. TP2 be 618. TP3 be 886 or number 1. Right there, something like that. All right. But this is 100 pips, 118 pips. All we're waiting for is the market to drop down here. Once it dropped down here, we're going to trade on the 4-hour time frame. So, you know, we want to make sure we got everything like how we supposed to have it. So bat pattern, 4-hour. So I know I'm trading on a 4-hour. Okay. I know I'm trading on a 4-hour. So when the market come back down, okay, when the market come back down and it drops down to my zones and I'm ready to for liftoff, then this is what I'll do. I'll go ahead and drop between the 5-minute, the 1 minute, and the 5-minute time frame. Okay. And all I'm looking for is a particular sequence. All I'm looking for is a particular sequence to happen when I come back down here. All I'm waiting for is a break of structure, and 2 higher lows. After I get those 2 higher lows, I look for my gaps in my candles, and then I go ahead and go take the trade. All right. It's very simple, but I'm gonna show y'all this here. I'm gonna show y'all this here because I know how to trade, but I be just doing things. Feel me? And right now my back is about to be against the wall because when you have other people in control of your income, it's not really a good feeling. You got shit you gotta pay and everything like that. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna get ahead. We're gonna get ahead and run the play. You heard? But this is on a downtrend. I know some of you guys probably like, oh no, it's going up. It's going up. It's actually not going up because if you look here, we don't need that anyway. If you look here, right, the confirmation is telling me it's dropping. So you always want to go to the higher time frames and see what the direction is going. And right now, we're literally on an uptrend, but we have a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure right now. So, or rather, see, here go the break of structure right here. This is my retest. Waiting for the drop to go down here. This will break here, break this low here. If it does not break below this area here, when it comes down there, we will be going up for the trade. The whole thing is to watch. It's to really watch. Okay? Gotta watch this area right here. Okay? Watch this area right here. I'm gonna change this color right here because this shit need to be bright. Real shit need to be bright. Okay? Right there. So that's what we doing. We watching for this area right here. Because if you look here, my MACD, right, it coincides with it. So as we come down here, all we looking for is breaks. If we get a break below here, we're gonna have a major sell. We're gonna have a major sell. When I say major, I mean major, because simple fact that this right here will be the next stop. This right here will be the next stop. Yup. Ain't none. You off? Yeah. All right, let me go up in there. I don't think you're the only one. Huh? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Damn. All right, I'm about to turn it on for you. I'll turn that on right now. Yep, I got you right now. Right now. Yep, got you. Damn, I fucked up. Damn. Did I get paid? Did he pay me? I'll check in a minute. She might not even be trying to use that shit because I don't even know. Are you even paying KD? Let me see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, who's Michael Smith? Shit. Where the fuck is? Oh shit! Am I? While I'm using it? Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Got this cable thing going on. All right. So you guys see that what I'm saying right here, we're just waiting for another sell. So if I was to drop down to 4 hour, okay, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a clean break below. Okay, I'm waiting for a clean break below. That's what I'm waiting for. All right, because if we get a clean break below one of these greens, that we straight. It's probably going to push back up to here again. And we're going to dip and go for the dive. Feel me? But that's EU. But this is how I found that harmonic. So when I teach and have my platform ready, the harmonics will be in there, but it'll be for people who is ready for it. Because like I said, the harmonics is 80% chance you're going to win the trade. Okay, it's an 80% chance. That's a very high percentage. Okay, here we go. Found another one. This is GU. Okay, GU. I already set this one up for the win. As long as we don't break below here. Okay, as long as we don't break below here, we are going to buy. Okay, we are going to buy. Will it drop a little bit more? I believe so. Okay, because if I was to take this move here, take it from here to here. This my exit, between my exit and my entry. Okay, my exit and my entry. Be right here. Right here. And right here. 718, 786 for a sell. Okay. And I'll be selling all the way up until down there. Okay. We're looking at major pips. 266 pips, 275 pips. This is what we're looking for. You know what I mean? So we just got to be patient and just wait. All right, patient and wait. And this is where I mess up a lot. I be winning, but then I get greedy. I'm only human. I'm just a beginner, just like some of these cats out here or whatever. But I'm gonna make it happen. Okay, for this one, oh, this was crazy right here. I caught this one, right? This one right here was crazy because, like, I seen it coming, right? I seen it coming. It was down here. You see? See how it was divergence going on. And I was kind of shook up. I'm like, damn, I don't know what's going on. But I'm kind of shook up. And I believe it was divergence. I don't think I was using this indicator at the time. I think I had the RSI. I don't know. But yeah, I seen it coming, and I caught this trade. How did I catch this trade? Is because here you go. Here, you get your breakout candle right here. This is your breakout candle. Okay, breakout candle, change of direction. Okay, this is the retest. Watch these levels for sell. Look, boom, and we got the sell. This is the extreme sell, but I put it for here because this is where the gaps is. Okay, this is where the gap is. So if you look here, okay, see that gap? See that gap? See that gap? That's why I took the trade, because it was a nice gap here that had to be filled, and I knew it was going to come back. I knew it was going to come back. Okay. If I was to even grab my fibs, throw my fibs on there, look, almost came back to the 786. But as soon as I would have saw this candle here, right here, I would have had the eye. Boom. Then this one. Boom. This is the break of structure here. Okay. This is the break of structure right here. And we up out of here. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. I caught this trade. This trade right here dropped for, we're going to find out right now. It dropped. It definitely dropped. I think I caught this one too. I'm not mistaken, but I did it in pieces. I think this is how I made like $700 in like 2 days. Oh, for 30 cents on top of that. Look at this. 400 pips of pure pippage. Now, you can't get no better than that, man. Like, let me show you guys, like, the difference real quick. Let me show you. Okay. I wanna make this very clear to you guys. This is why I trade. You see, you have 0.01, which equals 10 cents. You have 0.1 equals $1. And then we got a 1.0. They call that a standard. And that's $10. That's $10. Now, I want you guys to really pay attention to why it's a few people on social media that really love doing what they're doing. It's because this right here gives you the ability to not only be in charge, but you can never get fired from your day job. Nobody can fire you, even if they tried. And you'll be making money sitting on your ass. That thing dropped 4 pips. So 400 400 times okay. That'll be $40. Okay, that's for that. What if I was to do a standard? I mean, a dollar. That would be 400 times 1 equals, you made $400. What if I did a standard? You will have 400 times 10 equals, you already know the answer to that one. Look at that. Do you see the difference in how much money you can make depending on your lot size? These are what you call your lot sizes. Your lot sizes, it tells you how much you can potentially make. And let me tell you something. You could potentially make a lot more than what you see if you just learn how to trade. A little bit of extra money in your pocket can't hurt nobody. Nobody will be over you. You can do as you please. Because some people that they don't want to see you win. They don't want to see you win. They don't want to see you great. I've been around these type of people my whole life. This is why I'm always doing my thing by myself. Because people don't want you to win. They'll smile at you, smile in your face. They'll probably hang out with you, come to your house, eat your food. They don't want you to win. The proof is in the pudding sometimes. All you got to do is open your eyes. Okay? So, what am I waiting for right now? With USD JPY. Let me show you what I'm waiting for. Okay. The highs, take it to the lows. We at the 618. I wanted to come up here. I wanted to come up here before it drops. Okay. That's what I want. A lot of people may think or maybe like, oh, is this a harmonic about to pop off? No, this is not a harmonic about to pop off. We can measure it though and see what's going on, but I doubt it. You know what I'm saying? It's possible. It's definitely possible. Okay. It's not, I wouldn't just automatically rule it out. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't automatically rule it out at all. But this will be a nasty. I don't like it. You know, I don't like it. I don't like it. I just don't like it. You know, I don't like it because it just looks weird. I just don't like it. You know, I really don't like it to be a harmonic. But I don't like it. I really just, I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. Because this right here, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, what pattern this is? This is 618. B to D 76. So this is what I really. Yeah. All right. So okay. So I want this market to come right back up a little bit, just a little bit, like around these areas, and give me a drop. However, if it do rises and breaks, and if this is truly a harmonic pattern, then we going to the sky, baby. We going to the sky. But I don't. You see, it looks like a crab pattern. You know, it looks like a crab pattern, but I don't. I never traded a crab pattern before because it's like them joints be hard because the leg be like all the way up here, all the way up here. Feel me? And if we go up. This right here will be the highest it's ever been. So that's where I get scared at. Like I haven't been in this position before. I don't know how to use this one, and I never really traded the crab pattern before. You know what I'm saying? To be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? Look at this one. All my harmonics hit. Look at this one. You know what I'm saying? Like I be telling y'all, man, like, well, the harmonics is mine. Like I could definitely teach that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this right here, I wouldn't really trip on it too much as far as going up because look, we have a supply zone right here. Okay, we have a supply zone. This is where all the sellers is at. So it has to be a really large candle to even go past that area. So what would I do? I will do it like this. I'll just probably wait. They'll probably it's probably create another harmonic pattern right now. You know, uh, boom. See, we're at the 50. We're at the 618. Okay. If it gives me another drop, right, which it probably will, give me another little right. Let me see. This is what I do. This is how I measure it up. I measure it up before it even happened, so I know which way the market is gonna go. You know what I mean? So here we are, right here. If I can just get this to come back down to the 618. 618 will be fine. I can get it to come down to the 618. Okay. That'll be real good because then I'll take it up. I'll take it up. I'll be for sure that this is gonna be a nice little bat pattern forming right here. Okay. So then I'll just, like I said, I'll just take the trade. And this is how I'll be finding my harmonics. Feel me? That's how I'll be finding my harmonics. So you guys just gotta pay attention. Okay, let's see. Okay. So yeah, I was correct. So yeah, if this forms, like I said, I'll be waiting for it to come back down. I'll be waiting for it to come back down just a little bit more. Okay, if we drop down, let's drop down to the 4 hour. I have a better situation going on here, right? And I can show you how I see this here. So here we go again. Let me take the fibs. We're going to mark it from the high to the low. Okay. What's my zones? Let's get this out of here. We don't need that. The trade already happened already. Okay. We at the 50. We're at the 618. The 618, that tells me possibly if okay, if it breaks, if it goes back down, okay, this is what we're looking for. We want from here, from A to B. And we want this market to come down to the 618. This is what we want. If it comes down to the 786, fine. As long as it does not break this low here. Okay? We'll take it. And then this will be something setting up for, I'm about to show you right now. But y'all think I don't be doing this shit. Like, I be doing this. Harmonics, I it's my shit. I just love the harmonics. I love it. Boom, 786. This is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for this market to come back up to 786. Okay. At the extreme will be the 8, but the 786 is where we be looking for. Okay, so what I do is this. Boom. I mark my 786. Boom. That's my 786. It's my entry. For our Gartley entry. Right, let me get my all uppercase, man. Gartley. Gartley 4 hour sell. Boom. Okay. So now you know, right? So let me mark this harmonic up so you can see it now. right around these areas, these lows. Come back up for the sell. Okay, let's mark it up real quick. See, right there. See, I'm right on point. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, man. Know what I'm doing. So that's the Gottlieb pattern setting up for the win. So as you can see, like, this is what I've been preparing myself all these years for. I've been studying Forex now for about 4 or 5 years, something like this. I'm ready to break the bank. I'm ready to get inside there, not being scared no more. I already done tested it. I told cats, stop paper trading. Put some real money in there. Trade your little 10 cent. I had people laughing at me. Oh, you only trading 10 cent, yup. I'm only trading 10 cent because I'm not dumb. I really want to lose the money if I'm supposed to lose the money, but I don't want to lose all my money at one time. You understand? So I had a lot of chances to win, and I had a lot of chances where I lost. And guess what? I lost. You feel me? And this is why I'm able to do what I'm doing now. I'm starting this live with the Forex because I think this is where I'm going to end up being in the end. I'm going to wind up doing a podcast on investing. You understand what I'm saying? I'm only going to be with like-minded people, people that's online that want to, grow and do things. I build websites. So you need a website, you need a platform that's going to hold you down and give you full automation, something that you can control. You got to come to Bossed Up and come get it, because all these other companies, they really not down for you. They not trying to really get you to the next level, nor would they look out for you in times of looking up times. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm going to say about that. You know what I mean? Niggas using bots and shit. We don't use bots around here, pimping. Some bots around here, pimping. Learn how to trade, my nigga. Learn to trade, bro. Learn to trade, my guy. Prince right there. Look. So, all right. So that's the third one. All right. That's the second. Yeah, that's the third one. We done went over. This is UJ. So yeah, we looking at a lot of sales right now. I think this one right here is gonna really bust. You know what I mean? Because we're in a downtrend. We in the downtrend, buddy. Feel me? So with that being said, GJ. Okay, now this is my little baby right here, man, because at the end of the day, look at this. It's time to get rid of them yellow joints. Oh yeah, I have put it there because that's the that was for the jump offs. I mean, but we're gonna get rid of this one at least because that's too much yellow stuff. This is the gap. Okay, this is the gap. And what I've learned about the gap is, like, the banks, they always come here. They always come here, my nigga. About 50%, about half, they always come. I'm serious. I've tested it myself, and it's like literally just like that. It's 50%. Always look for the 50% when it comes to the gaps, because they might not fill the whole thing. But if they fill 50%, that's good enough. We dig? So GJ is trying to push down, but I wanna hold it here. See, I ain't playing with GJ because I want in. I want in because this is going to be a major sell, guys. Like all we waiting for is to break below here. Really. I mean, not really, because we could jump in the trade now, but it wouldn't be smart because the predictions is I'm looking for this market to do this. I'm looking for this joint to just do this. I ain't that good with the drawing. I'm just learning. Feel me? But I don't know, man. I don't know how to draw, man. I never was a good drawer like that. I think one time in my life I paid attention, but right here, right up in the zone here for the sell. This is what we waiting for. And if you looking, right? If you looking, you can look and see what's going on. And this is how we know. Because look, when it comes to Forex trading, you don't know where the market is going to go. Okay? It's all about predictions and confluence. And I'm gonna show you a confluence right now, which makes it easy for me to be like, okay, yeah, we're going, you know what I mean? Look. I'm gonna fix it in a minute. This is not the head and shoulders part. I'm gonna fix it. Oh. Look at this. This right here is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. Okay, that's the shoulder because of the drop. It's a small one. It's a small pullback, but that's a pullback. Believe it or not, that's a pullback. Okay, so we got the head and we have the shoulders. All of this is the head. All of this. I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can understand what's going on. All this is the head. All this is the head. All that's the head. Okay? All that's the head. All that's the head. All that's the head. Okay? These are my shoulders. This is my shoulder. This is how I know the market is going to come back up, right? Because it looks good. It looks good. And then we're going for a massive, massive, massive drop, at least until this area here. And this is a daily time frame, guys. So this is what I want you to understand. On a daily time frames, you listen. The pippage is just crazy, immaculate. Okay, we're talking about 1,000 pips. You're gonna be in this trade for a whole week. A whole week. We'll be in this trade the whole week. It's 1,000 pips. You might as well drop the bag on that. Okay, this is confluence right here. This is a retest. Okay, as long as we don't break below this, we're gonna be selling. I mean buying. But we coming back down. We coming back down here. We coming back down here. These are the lows we coming back down to. This is definitely a fact. We coming back down to these lows here. Okay. So this is how I get my trades. No bullshit. I don't bullshit nobody. Know what I mean? This is how I get into my trades. My boy Dalvin. Ah, doing good. Doing good. Doing good. And this is what I'm saying, guys. I'm just checking out I'm just checking out some posts from some traders and stuff. All right, so okay. So let's get back to it now. Know what I mean? Let me see if I can share this one out to this page right here. No. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Because this is this page. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna get one more in there before we let me see. Okay. Just loading up my other my other joint, trying to pass this out. I'm this is the broke page. Learn something. Come on, man. It's the broke page here. It's 9 to 5 page here. Alrighty then. All right, so I didn't shifted this to my other page. Feel me? I want to see if I can get this on Instagram. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna I can make changes to the video. What can I do to the video? I'm just checking something out, y'all. I'm about to get back to it. Oh, we could boost the live video. Oh shit. Let's see something. I'm gonna do that shit. Ooh. All right, let's get it. So now, like I said, we already explained this. I already went over 4. I'll probably do like 2 more. I'll do 2 more because I just came on my other page and started sharing it out. Cause don't look like nobody coming, everybody in their crib doing whatever they doing. But you see, all my trades is valid. It's to the T, it's to the point. You can earn a lot of money, earn a lot of income. Okay. Odd pairs is gonna be possibly going up. Yep, look, we broke. I wanted to trade this. Yeah, I'll wait till it come back down here. Yeah, anywhere between in these areas. Now I mean, this is a what? This is a daily. So I mark this up right here in front of y'all, so y'all can understand. Because I don't really trade odd pairs. So we can go ahead and do this one together, and I'll show you where we're in an uptrend. Okay, I need you guys to understand this. We're in an uptrend. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Okay. Now, we drop down to the 4 hours so we can get more of a situation going on and we can see what's going on. Okay? This is what we need to do. We need to see what's going on. And so we looking, wow. Wow. We have a change in direction. This is your retest. So we missed that. We missed that. But we can get back into trade. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, that shit is valid. Valid. It's a head and shoulder pattern. So many confluences. Like it's this showing you like, look, guys. Like, this is what I'm saying. Come join me. That'll help motivate me, and I'll keep on going, and then we're gonna make some money together. Feel me? I'll change your thinking so you can change your life. You understand? This is why I'm here. No, I don't have $1 million in my account, but I'm gonna get my $1 million because I understand this Forex market. And right now, it's either go hard or go home. I've been winning. You know what I mean? I've been winning. So right now, it's like I feel as though I'm going to take it to the next level. Okay. So you watching this? Boom. This is why you got that sell. Okay. This is why you got that sell. Now watch this. How about I do this to you now? How about I do this to you now? Boom. 618. Okay. Let's see what we got. Boom. We almost got the 786, but still, guess what? This is a Gartley pattern. It's a Gartley pattern. So this is why it's dropping now. And it's dropping hard, very aggressive. Okay. I'm about to show you it's a Gartley pattern. Boom. Boom. 786. This is where we coming to. This is where we coming to, guys. I mean, 786. Now let me show you the pattern. Might come down to the 8, but you know, you just follow the sequence. Okay. Another Gartley pattern. Gartley 4-hour sell. 4-hour buy. My bad. I like mine's capital. Ah, 4-hour buy. Boom. I'll just move it right here. Switch this around there. Boom. Now you can see the arrow. Okay. And then when it comes into my zone, this is how I'm going to do it. Long position. Bow. But how far? How far are we going to go? Well, you just measure it. You just measure it. Use your fibs and you measure it. I'm going to show you how to measure it. And this is for only one TP, okay? So only one TP. You want two, you can get two. Okay, but the first TP is always going to be the 38.2. Okay, that's the first TP. It's going to be the 38.2. And that is going down for 113 pips. I think that's good enough. And boom, there we go. We got the trade ready to go. Okay. So, as you see, I'm doing what I do. Know what I mean? Now let's get this gold. I'm waiting for this gold buy. Okay. Because this gold, I definitely had caught this. I caught this trade. I think this is the thing I had caught it somewhere over here. I know I caught gold. I caught GJ and I caught gold. And gold was one of the ones that made my account grow. I wound up catching 1,500 pips out of gold. 2 days. Okay. So what we have here is another case of harmonics going on. That's what I see. Okay. How? We go down, drop down. Okay. You see this right here? Anytime you have this little up, down move, and then a drop, that's what we're looking for the harmonics. Okay. That's what we're looking for. So, boom. Come back. Boom. Came back. We hit 50%. Okay. We hit 50%. We didn't hit the 618. So this right here should be probably another Gartley. Yep, another Gartley. See what I'm saying? And then I don't really take trade. Like when it's like this, I don't really do that. I don't even really take the trade, but want to mark it up anyway. Still want to mark it up anyway. Okay, because guys got to see this. How the market works, how it moves. Right? It's the low, and then it comes right over here. This is my Gartley. This is my Gartley trade. Okay? It's my Gartley trade. Take it off of this. All right. So, how do I know it's going to come back up here besides my harmonics? Let me show you. We have break a structure, change the direction. Okay, it's a break a structure here. Because remember, this is the last green. Or rather, this is the last green candle before this red. Okay. And this is the last red before this green. Okay, before this rally up. Okay, so we're looking for this right here. We're looking for the market to break. Did it break? Yes, it did. It broke. Where did it break? Break right here. Boom. That's my change of character. Came back up. Boom. Filled the gap. Okay. Here you go. Filled the gap. See? Guys, this thing is like getting really easy for me, and I'm really understanding this. So I need you guys to really pay attention to me for the ones who's really trying to win. You know what I mean? Look, boom, break, change. You know what I'm saying? This is the retest. Take the trade. Take the fucking trade. That shit dropped so many pips. So many pips. And now all we doing is waiting for it to come back and fill this gap. Look. Look, see? That's exactly where I have my stuff. Okay? And look where we're going. We're going there. We're going there. And as soon as we get there, then that's when I drop down to a lower time frame. I'm trading off the 4 hour. I want the 4 hour money. I'm not going to lie to you. I want the 4 hour money. It's a lot of money in there. You know? Where am I looking to take this trade? Just to like right here. You know, I ain't looking to kill it like that right now. Even though I do believe that we're gonna go all the way down to like 4,000. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way to like 4,000. So if that's the case, right? Because we go to the daily or the weekly, right? It's bullish. It's bullish. You ain't really. It's bullish. We ain't dropped yet. We ain't dropped yet. Okay? Everything is bullish. But we got time. We got time. Look at this is silver. Silver again. This is another situation right here. Where would I be taking this trade right here? I'm saying. There's no harmonics. Okay. I already made a head and shoulder pattern right here. A nice little short head and shoulder pattern. But what I'm going to be waiting for is for this market to come back up in between here. Take it right here at the 618. 618, 786. These are my two spots that I'm looking for right now to come into the zone so I can get ahead and go for the sell. Okay? This is what I'm looking for. All right? I'm looking for that to go short. Yeah, take it back down here again. And this is where all the buyers is at. But, you know, we can get some major pippage right now, man, with this trade. Just waiting for it to go, you know. XRP. This is another one I could have caught. I didn't take this trade. I ain't take this one, but I marked it up. If I drop down to our time frame, you'll see I did what I did. See? Look what it did. It's right here, 15-minute time frame. I marked it up on. Okay? And what it do? It dipped down in here and then it shot up. See? It shot up. $300 and something pips or 3,000 pips, whatever. I don't know how to read them joints like that. XRPs and all that. Let's look at Bitcoin. We have 68,000 with Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, oh no, we are lower. We are lower for the Bitcoins. See what we got on the daily. You see, I stay marking my shit up. You know what I'm saying? I don't be playing. Yeah, because see, this is what I want. I want it to come up and drop. Okay? Come up and drop. Come up and drop. So just measure this leg. mark this up. Take this out of here. And we're gonna this is the point of interest right here. Point of no, this is what we want right here. Right here. Right here. Because this is a nice little gap right here. Okay. It's a nice little gap. So we want to come back and fill this gap. Let me see, what's this? Oh, this is where we going. This is where we going. All right, that's where we going. Yeah, so pretty much this is the drop we're waiting for. So again, I'll be taking my trade here. 786, I mean 618. Or around the 786. Anywhere in between here is what I'm doing. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just put an alert at the 618. I gotta upgrade my plan because I got alerts already. So right here is where I would have it. Okay, and then go for the drop right up into the zone here. Okay. Now, if we wind up breaking past this zone, then that's going to be crazy because, hold on, let me see. Let me see if we got any, yeah, see? Yeah, we got shit to fill. We got shit to fill down here. I don't see it really coming down to 35,000, 30,000. But if it does, man, what a rally we're going to have on the way up. And that's when it's time to become investors. You know, that's when it's time to invest. So I've been on here for what? An hour and 36 minutes. I think I showed y'all enough. I showed y'all some scales. I showed you some of the trades I got going on that I'm looking forward to jump into. It's time to pray right now. Everybody stay safe, man. It's a lot of stuff going on outside right now, a lot of snow. So everybody just stay safe, all right? On that note, boss up or continue to get bossed around because you know I'm bossed up to live a good life already.